How to create shop on Facebook page. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to make sure you are logged into your Facebook account and you are on your Facebook page. To get access, tap three-line icon and you need to tap the arrow on your top right name. And then you will see list of your account including your Facebook page. You need to select your Facebook page. And after that, you need to simply navigate to the shop icon. Or if you don't find shop icon from your menu, you need to head over to your professional dashboard and look for the shop keywords. If it is not visible, you need to tap on the search icon at top right and then search for the word shop. After that, you need to make a search for shop and you need to check availability of the shop feature. Keep in mind that the shop feature may not be available in all regions. If the shop is available for you, it will appear in the search result. So you can tap on the shop suggestions to proceed. Tap how shop on Facebook pages work. So here are different steps in order to see or page a shop or create shop on Facebook page. So you can easily go to the page you want to browse by clicking its name on your feed or searching for it and click shop now. You can choose a product or collection to learn more, and if you are a business interested in selling on Facebook, you can learn how to set up a shop. You can tap set up a shop, and once you are done with setting up your shop, you can easily choose the payment method that works best for you and your business. If you still can't find the shop feature, it's possible that it's not available in your region. In this case, you can reach out to Facebook help and support for more information. And that's it. You will successfully create a shop on your Facebook page by following this method. So thank you very much for turning it, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Give a like and subscribe, and thank